Hi, we finally finished this section here. Congratulations. You did a great job if you went all the way. Now, at the end of this section here, I told you that we will be practicing. So we will be using this app here that I made for you guys. So that way, and when I say you guys, I mean ladies too. I know that some ladies are taking the course. So this section, this practical app here is found if you've seen a folder on your practical app exercise file, well, on your course exercise files, called inside the demo folder right here, practical app. This is your practical app right here. All right, if you want to find it, the best way to do that, it would be on your localhost demo underscore practical hyphen app, and I put a little underscore there just to put these folders on top here so that way you can see it, because if I don't put underscore, it will probably do alphabetically and it will be something right here in the middle somewhere. So I want you to find them, so that's why I put a little underscore on the beginning of the file, so that way it will put it all the way on the top. Okay, so we are using this app here to do some exercise. Now, how do we start using this? All right, so I'm gonna go here to our code editor and I'm gonna open this. As a matter of fact, I think I already have it open here somewhere, right here. Okay, so all you have to do is, if you have not, actually I think just by opening the whole demo folder you have access to these two folders right here, as you can see. Right, once you drag the demo into your co-editor, you should have access to it. If not, just go to the first page here, underscore practical app, and just click here and you are there actually, or home. We take you to the home page once you type in like this, practical app, boom, click it and you're in home page. Right now we will be doing this. All right, so how do we start using it? Really simple. Let's go to the practical app, click here on the first one.php, which is the first section there. All right, here we have the code for the page, of course, without the functions. These are files that you don't need to be concerned about. This is files that I'm using for the application. But here on the steps here, on the content, on the meat of the lecture here, or the this file here, you need to be concerned about this. The steps, I laid out some steps here. Step 1, use the echo function to say hello with HTML h1 tags embedded inside PHP. All right, so this looks like this here because I'm having a low resolution. But anyway, step 2, write a comment above the function. So this is a really simple function. I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, as a matter of fact, you should know how to do that. Pause the video and start doing it. And then if you have any problems, then I will go ahead and help you. But pause the video now and do it. All right, hopefully you were able to pause the video and did it yourself. If not, you only hurting yourself. So make sure that you do it. That way you can learn more. All right, so let's go ahead and do it ourselves now. So what I'm going to do, it says do an echo function. I'm going to do an echo function here, and I'm just going to say hello with some HTML inside. All right, I'm going to say hello h1. Right, there we go. And then we need to put a comment on top of this, and the comment would be something like, I'm going to do a one-line comment // and it's going to say this function says hello. That's it. That's all I want you to do there. I want you to get in the habit of doing that, and save and come back here. Let's go to section 1 and see what's going on. There we go. Our function is saying hello. All right, so this is it for this section here. Now go to the next practice session, and well, I see you in the next practice session once you finish all the lectures on there. All right, thank you so much, and hopefully you are enjoying this, and I see you then.